Paano ba mag-budget ng pera? Before you even spend for anything, you need to ask yourself 4 questions. First, ano ba ang purpose when you buy this certain thing? Gusto mo ba siya? Or kailangan mo ba siya? Kung kailangan mo siya, you cannot survive without it. Tulad ng pagkain, kuryente, tubig, shelter. Those are things that we need. Pero kung gusto mo lang siya, pwede mamaya na. Next is design. Gusto mo ba yung itsura ng product na yan? If you don't like what you bought, there's a huge chance that you're going to overspend. Let's say pumunta ka ng isang department store. Ang purpose mo ay bumili ng bag. Ang gusto mong color, black. Ang available, brown. Since yun lang yung meron, ang ginawa mo, binili mo yung brown. The next day, pumunta ka ulit sa department store. Congratulations! May color black na. The fact na meron talagang void in the first place, you would want to fill that void with the thing that you really wanted the most. Kaya nga, importante na kung bibili ka ng product, siguraduhin mo na gusto mo yung design so that you don't overspend. How many bags do you need? Isa lang. Ilan yung nabili mo? 2. After design, you need to consider the quality. Bahala na, medyo mahal siya as long as the quality of the product is better. Why? In the long term, it makes more sense financially. Kaysa, mura nga siya, pero on the next month, masisira, bili ka ulit. Na-stress ka na, gumastos ka ulit. And lastly is affordability. If you can pay it in cash, mas maganda. Sir, what if hindi ko siya kaya i-cash ngayon? Pero, based on my finances, kaya ko siya i-monthly. Pwede ko ba siyang i-monthly? Pwede rin. So when you purchase any product, you need to check all these 4 things. Purpose, design, quality, and affordability. Pag yung 4 na yan ay check, congratulations, that is a good sign na kaya mong bilhin yung product na hindi ka mababaon sa utang.